Hey creators, welcome back to aIfinder. If you're someone who's constantly hunting for high-quality background music, or just want to avoid the copyright headaches that come with using random tracks online, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into Tempolar, an advanced AI music generator that lets you create custom, royalty-free tracks in seconds. It's fast, flexible, and made for real creators, whether you're building YouTube videos, reels, documentaries, or ads. Let's jump into it and see how this tool can completely transform how you add sound to your stories. Tempolar is an AI-native music platform built to generate high-quality, copyright-safe music for any kind of project. And yes, it's commercial use ready. The best part? You don't need any background in music production. Just describe your vibe or upload your content, and Tempolar does the rest. If you're on a paid plan, Pro or Ultra, you can even download official usage certificates, so your content stays protected across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Once you sign up using the link in the description, you'll land on a clean and easy-to-navigate dashboard. At the top, there's a powerful search bar where you can browse over 200,000 plus pre-made tracks using filters like genre, mood, energy, and more to find exactly what fits your content. Let's search hip-hop, and it will generate the music for it. But where Tempolar really shines is with its Resona feature. Resona is a built-in AI that analyzes your uploaded video and auto-generates a music track that syncs perfectly with the visuals. You don't need to cut audio manually or match beats. It handles everything for you. For example, I uploaded a guitar video with no background music, clicked Get Started, and Resona instantly created a custom soundtrack that fits the video's mood and rhythm. And it works. The music is timed beautifully. No editing, no hassle. On the left, there's also a soundtrack solutions panel. Which gives you more control to tweak the sound, adjust structure, and perfect your output. Want to make music from scratch? You can do that too, just by describing your idea. In the prompt box, type something like, "Generate energetic music for workout." Hit Generate, and in just a few seconds, you'll get a list of AI-composed tracks based on your input.
Morning light seeps through the curtains, gentle breeze whispers soft and low. Leaves dance quietly by the window, peaceful moments start to grow. Flowing rivers calm the mind. Silent shadows drift on air, whispers float without a care. Petals fall in gentle stream, carried softly through my dreams.
You can preview, like, download, or add them to your playlist, right from the interface. There's also a built-in editor to adjust mood, tempo, complexity, and more. Advanced users can enable MIDI rendering and tweak the structure manually using the Start Modifier feature. Want vocals? Tempolar has a solution for that too. You can add lyrics, either auto-generated or custom, and then pair them with one of their built-in AI singer voices.
Echoes call through realms unseen, hearts awake. I tossed and turned all night. Your mom
In the city where the beats collide, your marks were all in my mind. Looking forward to meeting again.
If you want your track to sound truly personal, you can clone your own voice. Let's select the AI singer voice and hit generate. This opens up a whole new level of creative identity, especially for creators who want a consistent sound or signature vibe.
sunlight hits the morning sweat, pounding hearts yet no regret. Steps aligned with dreams we chase, faster now in this fierce race. Breath burst out instead. Sunrise hits the open road, heartbeat pounds a steady code, pushing past the edge to grow. Fire within start to blow, energy flows through every vein, power rising through the strange. Step by step and break the chain, stronger now, no time to wait.
There are a few more tools packed in here that are worth highlighting. You can upload a video, or even just an image, and Tempolar will generate background music that fits the scene or aesthetic. The stamp splitter feature separates any uploaded audio into its individual components, like vocals, drums, and bass. It's ideal for remixing, editing, or learning music production. All of this happens inside one clean interface, with no need for plugins or external software. Tempolar makes music creation simple, fast, and copyright safe. You can generate, edit, and download high-quality tracks ready for any project. To unlock pro features like usage certificates and voice cloning, grab 20% off Tempolar Pro using the link below. If this helped, like and subscribe to AI Finder, and I'll see you in the next one.